Do you want to upgrade your display setup in 2026? Then one of the most overlooked components is the HDMI cable, and it can make a real difference in how your content looks and feels. So today I am taking a closer look at the Ubluker 10K, 8K, 4K HDMI cable, 48 GB per second. It is a budget-friendly option that promises high-end performance for gaming, streaming, and professional setups. You can use it for TV, PC, monitor, projector, PS5, Xbox as well. Okay. It is only for $7 and you can claim 10% discount coupon from my description box. So check my description box for the discount coupon of 10%. Okay. It is only for $7 again. This is an Amazon's Choice product and 4K people bought in the past month. So you can trust this cable easily. See here, several sizes are available. 6.6 feet, 1.6 feet, 3.3 feet and up to 65 feet. See? In this overall review, I'm gonna show you the key features, the short overlook, the honest customer reactions and a final verdict for you. Okay, let's check the outlook or a short overlook from here. See, 8K 48 GB per second, ultra high speed HDMI 10K or 8K USD. You will get a HDMI seal, certified ultra high speed HDMI cable. Official certification level it is 8K 60 Hz, support high refresh rate, 12 bit. And see this carefully, 48 GB per second. Okay. Then see, professional HDMI cable it is for gaming consoles. And then see, they are using TV or monitor, I guess, by using this cable. See, and they are playing games by using this. See, industrial grade HDMI cable, application scenarios. You can use it for industrial purpose also. See, it is so hassle free product. Outdoor advertising, giant screen. See, they are advertising outdoor in various giant screens by using this Ubluker 10K, 4K, 8K HDMI cable. Okay, it is 48 GB per second. So this is all about the short outlook or overlook, you can say. Let's check the key features of this certified HDMI cable. The package has an official HDMI certification label. HDMI official is certified, fully compliant with the HDMI forum's strict requirements as specified in HDMI. It supports the latest features. Then you can check from here resolution and deep colors. Digital audio video format support. It has wide compatibility. Okay, let's check more details. You can check more details from here. See, this is not for phone models. See, no compatible phone models. 48 GB per second. Then maximum voltage is 10 voltage, frequency is 120 Hz. See, connectivity technology is HDMI. Indoor use. Then recommend uses for product is gaming. See, item shape is round. You can check more item details from here. Best selling in 5. Top 5 in HDMI cables. See, so you can trust this Ubluker cable easily. Okay. Then see the measurements and additional details. The material is nylon. Okay, and you can check the real videos from here also, and see the real pictures of these cables from here. See, let's check the customer ratings. For 4.7 out of 5. 85% people rate as 5 star. So this is a reliable product, I must say. Then let's check the honest customer reactions from here. Stable performance and solid build quality. Sturdy, fast connection and easy setup. Great HDMI cables. So far works very well. Decent product. Excellent, was able to complete the entertainment center. As advertised, great cable. So you can trust this advertisement. Great value for a low price. Okay, this is only for $7. So awesome cord. The ultimate standard in high level connectivity. See, awesome 4K HDMI cable. Nice HDMI cable. The cable has the HDMI certification seal. Works great. Great connection and to the future. Great for the price. Great cables take up less space. A lot of positive reviews it has. Getting the most from my Xbox Series S now. Works great. Good clear imaging. Great cable for gamers. Works. It works. Okay. Pretty flexible. 4K HDMI cable as 5 star. Does what it says. Amazing performance and quality. So you can check more and more reviews from here. Okay. After this overall review, I'm gonna tell you that this Ubluker HDMI cable is a great choice for gamers using PS5 or Xbox Series X, PC users with high refresh rate monitors, anyone upgrading to a 4K or 8K display, and budget conscious buyers who is looking for HDMI 2.1 features without overspending, because it is only for $7 and you can claim 10% discount from my description box. So check my description box, 10% discounts are available. Okay. The Ubluker 48 GB per second HDMI cable stands out as a solid budget option for anyone waiting to upgrade their display experience in 2026. So with support for 4K, high refresh rate and advanced audio or video features, it delivers excellent value without overcomplicating things, right? After all, if you are building or upgrading a modern gaming or entertainment setup, this cable is definitely worth considering for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know in the comment section whether this review video is helpful for you. Bye.